Hey mom, can I buy a pet at the pet shop?
Okay Eric, but bring me something cute.
Okay. Bye. Hey sir, what can I buy with 25 cents?
We don't have anything with 25 cents.
Okay, what can I buy with $3? Yay, I love this cat. I'll take it.
Where is my new pet?
He's coming. I love you, meow.
Eric, I can't believe you bought a cat. That's it, you're grounded, you're grounded, you're grounded, you're grounded, you're grounded. I'll send this cat to the dump.
Oh no. Wait, no, I can't believe that I got grounded for buying a cat.